Hey guys, welcome back to the Oh So and So. So now it's time for the kitchen. And I think after decorating so many rooms in the house, I have this room, I have our master bedroom, and then I have the deck. So I think after decorating for several weeks, my brain's kind of getting a little empty on how I want to decorate. I think before I do anything, I need something that inspires me to decorate with. And I don't know if you guys decorate this way. I am thinking about a breakfast bar because the other day I was at the thrift store and I got this for $4. So I'm like, hey, that looks so familiar. Where have I seen that? Alrighty guys, so if you watch the vintage home over there with Becky, she has this on her countertops. Matter of fact, her size kitchen is almost the same size as mine. So I think maybe this could be a part of my inspiration. Now, I have a coffee pot over there that I like, and my husband has a coffee pot here. Now, it would be nice to be able to get it all here, but look what my problem is. That, if that even went there, see, I should have had all this stuff pulled off and moved over. See, look, I don't have really room. Well, do I? Well, maybe we'll try that. So hold on, let's see if this works. Okay, so I'm trying to get all the coffee stuff together. So this is a big one. This doesn't fit, it won't go in. And even if it did, this paper towel holder is there. And you know what? I've never liked that paper towel holder because this is what I used to put my paper towels in. See how perfect? I think it's better. So I'm going to take that thing down. I have not liked it since we moved here. And the screws go up into the cabinet where you have to put the cups around it. So we're back at this again. Now I need to reverse. There's only two. Perfect. That, my friends, is how you solve that problem. We'll be back. Okay, guess what I found? Look. It was right there. And I'm like, I needed a shelf. I need something, but it can't be real big. Boom. And then look what happens. What do you think about that? I think it's great. And I put this there, and I'm like, no, I wish I had some more. Well, I went into my stash for Christmas, and look. What about those? So, I thought if I did this, maybe this one up here, because these two right here match. And that's terrible lighting. There we go. And then I wanted to use this because I went to Hobby Lobby today and I got these. Aren't they sweet? So they were $9.99 for a pack of 4, but they were 40% off. And I had seen so many YouTube creators use these, and I'm like, you know what? I kind of like those. It's a perfect little fall touch. So I had put them in this. Couldn't see it. So then I had one of these, and I'm like, you know, that might just do it. So I think cheese or whatever would come into this. And then these come out. So look, how perfect is that? And then, oops, how sweet. All right, I'm plugging away. I was so excited. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I finally finished the kitchen area. If you know anything about me, you know that I absolutely love the fake foods. I have pies, cakes, cookies, candies, biscuits, rolls, bread, cheese. And I definitely use them in my tablescapes and even for display. There's Dolly and Dora. And I didn't do anything much to the shelf up above. I just didn't have that much energy, but I did incorporate the coffee grinders with my coffee advertising, which I don't know why I didn't do that before. I finally have a coffee area, but I think I'm going to have to switch the big one to the other side and that one to this because the cords are not long enough. Even a little bit touches of fall. I brought some of my Crocs in. And the Croc for my paper towels works perfectly. And I love that big scale. Some of my stone fruit I used in the living room. Instead of one big bowl, I separated them. Now, the noodle board, I like it. Would I buy it again? I'm not quite sure. Because anytime you cook, you have to take it off, let the stove cool, and put it back on. I found one of these little towel racks at the thrift store. I even left some area for fall. I'm definitely looking forward to start decorating for the fall. I got so many new things this time, and definitely vintage. Alrighty, so one more area down. I'm going strong. I'm beginning to get a little slower, but I'm having fun. So until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.